Yo guys and gals, welcome to a Steelseries Sensei 10 unboxing and review. The box itself only contains mouse itself and some paperworks. Nothing more. It's just a simple unboxing experience. I like being simple, bro. Don't get me wrong. The Steelseries Sensei 10. I really like this mouse for not a wireless mouse in this price range. It's a really good mouse, and what I like about it, it's really good for FPS. It's so light, it's so precise. It doesn't have the best RGB out there for the RGB lovers, but the design is really clean. The good thing about this mouse is you can also use it with your left hand, so if you're a left-handed guy you can also use it and use the buttons. It has 8 buttons, but what I don't like about this design is if you are right-handed, all the buttons on the right side of the mouse are useless, and also if you are left-handed, all the buttons on the left side of the mouse is useless. So actually you have 6 buttons on this mouse to work with. Overall the design is good, but because I used to work with wireless mouses, it's not going to be my daily driver, but it's a really fine mouse in this price range, one of the best. And it also have a good application program on Windows that you can use. In my opinion, the grip on the mouse is actually nice. The sensor is actually nice. I didn't have any problem with the sensor or any bugs or glitches, nothing. 90% of you guys can actually use this mouse, no problem with that. Overall score for this mouse, in my opinion, is 10 out of 10 for this price range. I don't have any problem with it. Actually solid mouse. Good job with Steelseries. Okay guys, this is the actual app or program for the Steelseries. The problem with the app is, look at all this empty space, bro. What the heck is this? Actually all the application, everyone, they have problems. None of them are good. The Steelseries have problems too, but still, you can change the you can bind all the buttons here. You can even do micros, you can change the pulling rate, everything, acceleration, DPI or CPI. RGB lovers, you can click on this thing and change the modes, all the craziest stuff you can do.